Hi, I'm Nandini. You don't see me often in videos because I am mostly the face behind the camera. It's been 1.5 to 2 years that I've been working in Trackier. I have adapted to a lot of roles, a team member, a manager, a leader, and it has been incredible. It has been really fun, inspiring, and I feel like I have learned a lot over the years, and I look forward to learning a lot more.
My experience at Trackier has helped me see myself as a stronger and more confident professional. It has pushed me to trust my decisions, take ownership, and realize the impact that I can create. Being in HR at Trackier reminds me every day that empowering people is the most meaningful part of what we do.
I have a tendency to ask a lot of questions, and people here have answered each and every single one of them without making me feel stupid. So that has made me feel more seen and heard about myself, and I really appreciate it.
My journey at Trackit has showed me that I'm far more capable than I once ever thought that I would be. It has been almost 5 years since I've been associated with the company, and I've actually seen significant growth, not just on company's level, not just professionally, but personally as well.
3 years of being here at Trackier has changed me completely. From the timid girl that joined Trackier 3 years ago, I have now turned into a person who's not just bold but also confident about every kind of idea that she puts on the table. I'm working with colleagues and peers who are younger than me, all women, and the kind of culture they bring to the forefront is phenomenal.
My journey at Trackier is truly amazing. Today, I see myself as a more confident and a consistent person because real growth comes with being consistent throughout the journey. And Trackier has taught me this valuable lesson. So, thank you, Trackier, for that.
Hi, here working has helped me see myself as more confident and capable. Today I see myself as someone who is constantly learning and improving. Every task has made me more confident in my skills.
My time at Trackier has made me more confident in my abilities because of the amount of freedom that you get to execute. It is truly great. Trackier honestly taught me a lot about myself. It helped me understand how to handle pressure, how to work with a team, and how to figure out when things don't go as planned. It honestly helped me see my potential in a new light.
The growth opportunities at Trackier has been amazing. I have learned a lot from past year and I really appreciate it.
I came here as a complete fresher. The experience has truly changed the way I see myself. One thing that stands out about Trackier is how supportive and welcoming the workplace is, and it is quite reassuring as a woman to be a part of a workplace where we feel safe, inclusive, and empowered.
Trackier has helped me grow a lot as a person. I have become more accountable towards the work that I do, and I can see the impact of it.
My experience here has helped me see myself as more confident and capable. Every challenge and learning opportunity has pushed me to grow. I have realized that I am stronger and more creative than I thought. Being surrounded by such supportive people has truly changed the way I look at my potential.
My experience in Trackier has really changed how I see my own capabilities. Every day I've been solving new problems, communicating with clients, and learning something new. So if I had to describe what that experience has given me exactly, it would be the confidence to take more ownership and to trust my abilities and decisions.
I think Trackier has helped me a lot with my confidence, especially after graduation, since this is my first job. So, transitioning from being a student to being someone who has their own responsibilities now can be a bit overwhelming. And a supportive workplace like Trackier helps you a lot through that. My colleagues, they always push me into roles that I feel can be overwhelming and uncomfortable at first. And I'm really, really grateful for that. So, thank you so much.
Here has really changed the way I see my potential. Every challenge pushed me to learn faster and think more confidently. Over time, it helped me to trust my abilities and the value I can create.
Since the day I joined, the company's supportive culture has helped me discover a confidence I never knew I had. For Women's Day, I want to celebrate how I've learned to take challenges calmly and to trust my own growth journey. I now know that I belong and can thrive, and that's something I'm proud to share today.